What does it take to be a DJ? A lot of people ask me that question. Hi, it's Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks again for being a part of today's Little Dog and Pony Show. Your sponsors, Electro Voice, DJ Event Planner, Disc Jockey News, Perfect Portals, Promo Only, and the Entertainment Experience. That's my workshop. So what does it take to be a DJ? Well, nowadays, I hate to tell you, but not a whole lot. This is not going to be one of those things where I tell you you're not real DJ unless you're. I find it kind of a tedious conversation. I have my opinions as to what professionalism looks like, but when it comes to your clientele, when it comes to the people that are hiring us as DJs, well, all you really got to do is tell them you're a DJ, and you are. And then if you get hired, you're still a DJ, and you just might be a bad DJ. And then DJs are bad, and that's a bummer, right? I mean, think about it. If you're looking to buy your equipment, well, really, you need a laptop, which most people have. You need a subscription to a music service, which you might not need because of Spotify nowadays. You need a DJ program, which you might not need because of Spotify and because of some free DJ programs out there, including a couple on Apple. You need a microphone, which can cost as little as $150, and a wireless can cost you as much as $1,000 or more. But if you're just getting started and you're just going the cheapest, well, there you go. And you need speakers. Well, you could buy speakers, I suppose, and you can get them used nowadays for $1,000 maybe, or less than that. But honestly, you're probably going to buy used, so that might cost you, I don't know, $500, maybe a little more if they're powered, and they're pretty much all powered now. So you got the equipment, you got the software, you got the laptop, you got the music, and in a few months, Spotify, and they're not the only program, are going to be mixing music, beat matching, all the things that we say we do. So anybody in this neighborhood could call themselves a DJ. No one other than other DJs are willing to say that they're not, and they're not professionals. So what are you going to do about that? What does it really take? Doesn't take a lot much. It doesn't take a lot, rather, does it? So if that's the truth, what are we doing? How are we going to compete? How are we going to continue to do this work that we love and make a living doing it? Well, I think I'm not alone when I say you need to start looking at the skills beyond the mixing, beyond knowing what gear to have, what lights to buy, what software to have. You need to start looking at your skills as a performer. And first place you can start is going to some of these conferences. Okay, Midwest DJs Live in Milwaukee is coming up soon. If you haven't bought a ticket for that, what are you waiting for? Get one tomorrow. But also, what are you doing when you're holding only your mic in your hand and you don't have the music to back you up, or you don't have the speakers or even the gear, or even the microphone? Do you have the skills as a performer to command a room, to get an audience full of people to do what you need them to do and what your client wants them to do? Can you be entertaining? Can you be informative? Do you care for your clients? These are the things that you need to nurture if you're going to continue on in a world where renting the gear becomes the only thing that anybody necessarily has to do to be thought of as a DJ. when it comes to our clientele. I agree with you. Are you a real JF? According to who? What do you think of this? Write down your comments below. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and this is a warning. Bye.